Good evening. This is Caparos Juliana Angeles P. from 8 St. Anthony of Padua, presenting my project in Computer 8. And the chosen lesson I have done is lesson 2. What is character animation? Character animation is controlling the characters and using real human movements. Motion capture. It digitizes and tracks human movements, and it tracks movements of the markers, and it applies to virtual characters. Skinning. It is a process. As We'll go back to motion capture. As you can see, these three men are wearing like it's polka dots. It's not polka dots. It is the white stuff are the markers or slash motion sensors for when they move with their body that will be recorded and it will be set later on as I explain this. Next. Skinning. It is a process of attaching a model to the joints as well as controls. From here, skinning will come in and what they call is track their body movement and turn it, as you can see, it will track the face and it will turn into a mask. And as you will see soon after when it's when the movie is done. Motion editing. This is where the motion editing comes in. It shows knowledge, information, and it helps tell the story. It also makes use of captured motions for different scenes and also adjusts the movements to satisfy the constraints. For what I know about constraints, I think this is like the staff, the director, and all that stuff. I think that's what I know, and this is where motion editing comes in when it comes to motion capture. It will go to motion editing. As you can see, it will show knowledge and information and helps tell the story. As you can see, as you can see, this guy right here on the picture is I think you can see my mouse is editing a Will Smith. A Will Smith movie, I think, because I think Will Smith doesn't do television stuff anymore. Okay, motion planning. Motion planning shows on how to switch from one posture to another without colliding with other objects and or characters. It also shows how to control characters to behave, how to space with other characters, and how to avoid colliding with one another. As you can see, this is where motion editing or slash editing at itself comes in, because I think in the photo someone has edited this thing for the it's pretty much someone has edited a plan for the people to act like the plan, it should be perfection when it comes to movies. Crowd simulation or crowd simulation is simulating the pedestrians in the street. As you can see, it's red light. As you can see, red light, green light, Squid Game. Also, every single IRL, for example, like Squid Game, it's also a part of animation. But one good example for animation is Tom and Jerry, because it's a lot of processing of editing stuff of the movements, because there's like chasing and all that stuff, and they're just posting it in it's just a television, it's not even a movie, so it's not all in one, it's one in all. Crowd simulation, as you can see, red light, so people are crossing the pedestrian lane. So as you can see, this is also used by motion editing or editing at itself, because it's not really moving. Facial animation. It animates the face by motion capture data or data. As you can see, not sure faces, weird jolly faces, weird smile. He's like, and this one on my mouse is like, what is this guy doing? Okay, and that's it. Oh, that's it. Surprisingly. Thank you for watching. This has been me, Caparos Julian Angelus P. from 8 SAP or 8 Saint Anthony of Padua for this. Thank you for watching this a little quick presentation for Computer 8 project, and I'll see you on the next, maybe the next video, next project. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing off. Peace.